Hi there, this is Henk Sijbranda, Berthon Spain, and today I'm gonna show you our beautiful Swan 56 Tenacity. She is 2002, and when she visited the Swan Rolex Cup series in Sardinia in 2012, she was winner of the best looking swan. Let's go, take a look aboard. Tenacity is a Nautor Swan 56. She is hull number 021 and was delivered in May 2002. She is a Swan 56 designed by Jean France. She is a very comfortable performance cruising yacht that is easy to handle. Tenacity has flag blue hull with 2 silver boot top stripes. She was painted in 2014 at Berthon. Here we see her swimming platform opened and we come on board by the folding carbon passerelle. The steering position and cockpit are covered by a keen sun awning. The teak deck is just like the rest of this beautiful yacht in an immaculate condition and was replaced by new in 2018. She has a Rackman hydraulic furling headsail system, and this was overhauled in 2024. Her carbon rig, this is her second and installed in 2008, is a powerful and carbon rig and has 3 sets of spreaders. The mast was unstepped in Rhode Island and fully checked in 2024. Some of the rod rigging and all of the internal mast wiring was replaced then. Tenacity has a carbon boom with hydraulic furling. Please have a look at the specifications for the complete sail inventory. She's a fast yacht but never competed in any races. On the mast you find the Brooks & Gatehouse 2020 displays. All of her winches are by Lewmar and the 2 biggest sheet winches are electric. Navtec hydraulic, and all of the Brooks & Gatehouse navigation equipment is 2024. There's a full set of cockpit cushions and covers and canvas. Here we also see the new Brooks & Gatehouse. Entering Tenacity in the saloon, we first go to the forward section of the yacht. Tenacity sleeps 8 in 4 cabins. In the forepeak we find 2 bunk berths to starboard and lockers and storage to port. Walking back again, we have the port forward mid cabin, also with 2 bunk berths. Opening this door, we get into the forward head compartment. This head is shared between all the 3 forward cabins. Finally, on starboard we have the forward cabin, also 2 bunk berths and a direct access to the head compartment. Back in the saloon we have 2 comfortable armchairs to port, and an L-shaped settee to starboard, all with high quality cream leather upholstery. The galley is spacious and, as you see, in also an immaculate condition. All the worktops, also in the bathrooms, were replaced in 2013 and now in Korean. All the galley equipment is high quality and by Miele. The navigation area is located aft of the saloon and to starboard. Here we see all the new Brooks & Gatehouse as well. The owner's cabin in the aft ship has a double central island berth, a settee on starboard, and a large drawer storage area on the port side. The interior was varnished this year in 2026. The owner's head compartment, also with the renewed Korean worktop and wash bowl. Finally, we take you to the engine room with the water maker, the generator and the engine. As you see, Tenacity is a must-see. She has been in one family since new, never raced and has had a full-time skipper from new. May we invite you to have a look at her.